In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Shopify Collaborator request. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your Collaborator code, how to generate a new one, and what to do with it, so a designer, developer, or marketer can request access to your store. Start by signing in to your Shopify Admin. Once you're in, make sure you're on the home dashboard so you can easily navigate. From the left-hand sidebar, head down to Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all of the account, security, and user management options you'll need. Inside Settings, open the Users section. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled Users or Users and Permissions. If you see a search field at the top of the Settings page, type Collaborators into it to jump straight to the right place. You're looking for the area that manages Collaborator access. Open the Collaborators section. If it doesn't appear immediately, look for it under your security or account security settings, then select the Collaborators subsection. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see Shopify's note explaining that collaborators are a way to give designers, developers, and marketers access without counting toward your staff limit. Below that description, find the panel that says you can share a code to allow someone to send you a collaborator request for this store. This code is what your service provider will use when they submit their request. Click to reveal or copy the current code. If you prefer to start fresh, select Generate New Code. Shopify will create a new, unique code instantly. Copy the code and share it securely with the person or team who needs access. Avoid posting it publicly or sending it to anyone you don't recognize. If the recipient says the code isn't working, simply generate a new one here and resend it. After they submit their collaborator request using that code, you'll still need to review and approve the request from the Users section in your admin. Approval is required, so you stay in control of who can access your store and what they can do. When you review the request, take a moment to confirm the requester's identity and select only the permissions they actually need. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. You'll need the appropriate admin rights to access users and collaborators, so make sure you're signed in with an account that can manage users. And if you don't immediately see the collaborators area, use the settings search to find it faster. That's it. You've located the collaborators section, generated or copied your code, shared it securely, and you're ready to approve incoming requests from users.